Look at this result. This AI creates stunning videos, but what about the watermark? In this video, I will show you exactly how to remove it clean and clear with no blurry, no mess, and still high quality. Let's jump right in and edit like a pro. So the AI that we are going to use is SupaWork AI. We're gonna come here to free AI video watermark remover. So we're gonna click on it. So all you need to do is to come here to upload, and then let me just take this one and then open, and then when I just need to wait for some few seconds. Okay, the image is here. All we need to do is to use this brush. So I'm gonna just use this brush to remove the dream face and this animated with AI, and then I come here again to degen AI and then remove this watermark from degen. All right, and then all you need to do is to come here to confirm, and then you click on create. As you can see, it says 0, which means it's not gonna take your credit. So this is absolutely free and is unlimited, so it doesn't matter how many videos you've got. So you just bring your videos and then clear those watermark. We don't want them. So at the end, you're gonna have those beautiful videos with the same quality. It does not change your video quality at all. So you're gonna come here to create. This is the same video that I was creating before, so you can just see the results. So as you can see, there is no blurry mark on this. So the watermark is cleared, and then the video is still up to the standard. So this is what we actually want. If you are satisfied with your video, you can come here to download your video. So it's gonna be saved into your computer. So that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.